Block A has got a mass 3.3 kilograms sliding along a frictionless table. And it is connected by a cord that wraps over a frictionless pulley to a second block B. And the block B is hanging with mass M, 2.1 kg. The cord and the pulley have negligible masses. The hanging block B falls as the sliding block slides to the right. Find the acceleration of block A. Find the acceleration of block B. Find the tension in the cord. 9 marks. Divide there. Now. So, Lana, draw it. If you don't draw it, you won't see anything. We have a table. Then we have a pulley system there. Now, so 2 blocks. This is a block of mass M is equals to 3.3 kilograms. And then this is a block of mass M is equals to 2.1 kg. So we've got 2 blocks here. So 1 block is hanging, right? 1 block is hanging, 1 block is on the frictionless surface. So we know that this surface does not have friction. It's a clean surface. It's a smooth, ideal, perfect surface. So now, the acceleration of the block A and block B, is it going to be different here? No. This system it's the hanging block falls as the sliding block slides to the right. Shoot him as the sliding block ihamba to the right. This one is also falling. So since lento is frictionless, there is no energy losses there. The energy is conserved. So the energy as this block is sliding will be transferred through the rope to the what? To this mass M. So they will have the same acceleration. Kuyake kwenzeka ukuthi abe ne different acceleration, but that is if you're gonna put another tension again and do all those mechanical systems and those engineering things. But again, this one, you know that the acceleration that we are calculating, it is the same. Now calculate the acceleration. Where do we start? Free body diagram. Ungayindawo ngenzanga free body diagram. For mass M, capital letter M, the free body diagram for mass capital letter M, let us see. What is it going to have? In a corner like mass M, a normal force angisho. A gravitational force, a tension. There is no friction angisho. That's for ubani M. And for small letter M, let's just separate. For small letter M, ithini free body diagram yakhona? Sino FG, sino bani? Sino tension, right? And we say that the tension here is the same because remember, tension is applied by the rope angisho. So the tension applied by the rope on this is the same tension applied by the rope on the other object because they are using the same rope. Kancane uthi i-rope ibe nama differences in the force that it applies. So this is 2 diagrams. You first do a free body diagram. Lana bakubuzanga velocity nani khohla ngama equations of motion. You are dealing with any Newton's second law. So for block M, we're gonna say the sum of the masses of here is equals to the mass times the acceleration. So here, the sum there, let us try to see what's ingakanani. Ama forces now lawo ngakanani lapho. It's only tension is equals to mass here, it's capital letter M times the what? Times the acceleration. And then the other side, if we do the Newton's second law again, the sum of the forces equals to mass times acceleration. Ama forces awungaki lawo sinawo lana? Awu-2. So we definitely know that which one will be positive? Downwards. Because remember, here we say right is positive angisho. So as right we are positive, ukuhamba kwakhe lo to the right, it is favoring this one to do what? To slide down, to fall down. So this is something like this. So that's why I see these are all positive directions. So Fg there is positive, but tension there is negative. But this is the sum, okay, it's a plus there, is equals to m times acceleration. And then from here, obvious, UFG, express it as much as possible. UFG wako, it is what? Mass times gravitational acceleration, angisho. And then this is going to be minus tension is equals to mass times acceleration. Let's just substitute the known values. What is the mass of block M, the capital letter M? 3.3. So this will be just 3.3 kilograms multiplied by A. Ngalena, before we substitute, we can say tension is equals to M into G minus A, right? Is it 5? We can say tension is equals to M into G minus A. It's fine. Let's just transpose it. So this is mg minus ma is equals to tension. So tension is actually equals to m into g minus a. And substituting what we have for m. What is m? 2.1. So this is going to be 2.1. So equate your tension so that you can find the acceleration. So we have got equation 1 for tension here. We have got equation 2 for tension. Right? So here, tension is the same thing as the tension there, because remember, we're using the same rho plan. So there's no difference in tension. So the 2.1 times G minus A is the same thing as ubani or 3.3A. You find the acceleration. When they say find the value of, you must find a number. Ungatholi into eno-t, because mawuzogcina la uthi wena my acceleration is gonna be 3.3 over t, noma into kanjalo, noma t over 3.3. Wrong, because la say they want the value. It must be a number. Uthi awukho negative kuphi? Okay, so lana uthi ngimise phi? Ngimise ngalena waba positive. Right? U-MA ngamisa ngale wabanjani? Waba negative. Bese ngayi-rewrite kodwa ngiqala ngo-T. Yeah. So this is it. So here it's fine. This is 2.1 times the gravitational acceleration minus 2.1 times acceleration is equals to 3.3A. And then from here, take the like terms, put them on one side. 2.1 times the gravitational acceleration there is given by 9.8. I'm substituting now. Ngalena, 3.3. Obviously, you're going to transpose this ube plus angisho. 3.3 plus 2.1 ubani? 5.4a. Then divide by 5.4a on both sides. Divide by 5.4a on both sides. What is the acceleration? 3.81 meters per second squared. That's the magnitude of the acceleration. And then the tension, so as we told again. Now with the acceleration, you just substitute and say the tension is equals to 3.3 multiplied by the acceleration, which is 3.81. You're going to find a tension in the code. What is the tension in the code? Newtons is a force.